Hello guys, I am Kavita Deshmukh, a student of Nandit Law College LLB 3 years, and today we are going to learn cyber law, its importance, types and objectives. So as you see this figure, we have collected the information on cyber law and the types of cyber law and the sections related to these types of cyber law. So first we will see what is cyber law. Cyber law deals with the legal aspects of cyberspace, the internet and computing. In a broader view, cyber law handles the issues of intellectual property, contract, jurisdiction, data protection laws, privacy and freedom of expression in the digital space. In addition to regulating the overall internet's happenings and crimes, cyber law recognizes popular usages which includes e-documents. Earlier, contracts, agreements, or anything of a legal nature was made on paper. With the recognition of e-documents and digital signatures, the world is moving fast toward a paperless future. Since this reduces the use of paper and increases sustainability, these processes are widely encouraged by several environmental enthusiasts. The very first cyber law to exist was the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act 1986. Currently, there are several cyber laws around the world, and the penalties, punishments, and regulations vary to an extent. Following are the common cyber laws, crimes covered by cyber law around the globe. By understanding the same, you will understand the importance of cyber law. So these are the different types of cyber laws. First we will discuss on DDoS, Computer Fraud and Abuse Act, CFFA. This is one of the top arenas covered by cyber law in general. Large websites are usually a target for hackers looking to steal data or extort money from site owners. Hackers do so by generating traffic beyond the site's capacity, which eventually crashes the site. When the site is not functioning, the hackers steal the data or contact the site owner and demand money to restore the site. This type of attack is known as a DDoS attack and is done via the botnet system. So DDoS and botnet is related and it comes under the section 66. Next is identity theft. Identity theft as per the cyber law is the stealing of someone's identity and passing it off as your own in an online forum. This is a serious concern in cyber law because hackers steal your private and confidential information and use the same for malicious gains. This cyber crime comes under section 379 and 420. Next we will see is cyber stacking. Cyber stacking is, as per cyber law, is the usage of an entity's social media or online information to threaten, stalk or extort money from them. The data collected by the attacker is generally sensitive and can cause such as security breaches, defamation and more. Cyber stalking comes under section 67 by CRPC. Next we will see is social engineering. Social engineering, the concept of social engineering in cyber law is stealing by gaining confidence. Through social engineering, criminals usually target people who have considerably less knowledge and understanding of the functioning of banks, social media and digital operations in general. By posing as a trustworthy person or customer care representative, criminals gain access to people's banks or social media accounts and proceed to sell the data gained through the same. Sometimes the accounts can be hacked for extortion as well. Social engineering comes under section 66 of cybercrime cyber law. Next we will see is PUPS. It is usually popular advice by cyber law experts to avoid installing unknown software for the simple reason that malware can be installed into your computer and files can be stolen. Furthermore, spyware can be installed on your computer for malicious purposes as well. This mode of gaining access or stealing data where spyware, etc. is known as potentially unwanted programs, that is PUPS, potentially unwanted programs. This is why it is common to advise cyber law and computer experts to make use of authorized service centers only. PUPS comes under section 65 and 66 of Indian cyber law. Next we will see is phishing. Phishing is a crime where the hackers gain access to a person's device via a link. The link, in a simple glance, would look authentic. The link can include gift cards, games, etc. Sometimes links via email, claiming that your data is stolen, and by clicking the link you can restore it. The treatment of cyber law in Indian jurisdiction. So, phishing comes under section 66 and 43. We will see the importance of cyber law. Cyber law is of paramount importance in our digital age as it safeguards digital assets, prevents cyber crimes, regulates online activities, protects e-commerce and consumer rights, fosters international cooperation, upholds intellectual property rights, ensures data privacy, and provides legal remedies. It plays a vital role in establishing legal order and security in the digital realm, protecting both individuals and organizations in an interconnected world. Cyber law in India. Brief understanding we will see here. India witnesses many cyber crimes annually with over 44,000 reported cases. Among the states in India, Karnataka emerges as the leader in terms of cybercrime rates. According to 2022's report by Statista, the average cost of data breaches was USD 2 million in India. This financial impact reflects the consequences of data breach incidents. For more detailed statistical information, we can see the details ahead. Cyber law in India is governed by two key legislations, the Penal Code and the Information Technology Act of 2000. These legal frameworks provide the necessary guidelines and provisions to address cybercrime and protect digital assets and individuals' rights in cyberspace. A variety of cybercrimes are addressed by Indian cyber laws, covering two main aspects, hacking systems and employing them to commit crimes of different magnitudes. Additionally, Indian cyber law encompasses a comprehensive region of domains such as intellectual property rights and privacy rights, among others. Cyber law in India encompasses a broad range of subjects, although it is important to note that the list provided is not exhaustive. Similar concepts may also be addressed in other jurisdictions globally. The following outlines the various types of cybercrimes and the corresponding cyber laws protection. So we will see fraud. Cyber law in India identifies the theft of identities, credit cards and other finance-based crimes as fraud. These cybercrime offences may lead to fines, imprisonment or both, and this comes under section 66B, C and D. Next we will see is copyright. Cyber law in India protects copyrighted works present in online forums. The accused are punished based on the Copyright Act and other applicable acts, rules and regulations. Copyright Act comes under section 63 and 63B. Next we will see is defamation. Defamation. The Indian Constitution ensures the right to speech, but it comes with limitations. When the limitations are crossed, it constitutes defamation. A person who defames another person or an organization will be punished under cyber law. But what constitutes defamation activity online? In brief, according to cyber law, spreading false information or information without evidence online constitutes defamation activity only. Indeed, with the growth of social media, stronger cyber law protection is required against defamation. So, defamation comes under section 292 of Indian Penal Code. Next we'll see is harassment and stalking. These two. Cyber law in India protects online users from harassment and stalking. When someone speaks in a targeted way against you online, it would constitute harassment. Factors of harassment are circumstantial. When online information is used to harass someone, it is known as stalking. So both are related. Harassment and stalking are serious offences in India and that have repercussions in both civil law and criminal law. So these comes under section 354D and harassment comes under section 507. Next we will see is trade secrets. In India, we all are trading. The young youth is trading across all the platforms provided. In general, trade secrets are confidential information about companies. Attempting to leak confidential information to the public or using the same for monetary gain is a serious offense as per Indian cyber law. The penalty for leaking or using trade secrets is determined by the gravity of the injury experienced by the infringing party. But why exactly is cyber law in action against cyber crimes? What are its objectives? The following section will answer the same. But previously, going forward, before we will tell you that trade secrets come under section 27 of Indian Penal Code. So, types of cyber law. There are several types of cyber laws, each addressing specific aspects of digital activities and cyber security. Here are some common categories of cyber law. Privacy laws, cyber crime laws, data breach notification laws, intellectual property laws, cyber security laws, e-commerce and online contracts, social media and online content regulations, computer crimes, cryptocurrency and blockchain regulations, international cybersecurity agreements. So these are few examples of the types of cyber laws that exist to govern and regulate various aspects of digital activities, protect individual rights, and ensure cybersecurity in the digital age. The specific laws and regulation can vary significantly from one jurisdiction to another. So this is all about today's, and we conclude that cyber law is very important to ensure the safety of the digital world across boundaries. Always ensure that you protect your systems from any cyber attack and by being aware of the applicable cyber laws. If you have any question, you can comment, and if you like, then and for the new videos, please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Have a great time. Bye bye.